Do you love drawing on your iPad and think it would be cool to bring your drawings to life? Then this is the class for you. Hi, I am Isaiah Cardona and I am a senior art director and teacher on Skillshare. And I have several years of experience working in advertising agencies that specialized in video projects ranging from animated explainer videos to social content and broadcast commercials. And the best part of my job has always been being able to add hand-drawn animations to my client projects. Animation is scroll stopping and has the ability to engage your audience. In this class, you will create a fun dynamic looping animation in Procreate while learning about traditional animation techniques. We will walk through the frame-by-frame animation process, how to make an image or text wiggle, how to create a morphing animation, and how to use straight ahead animation. And we won't stop there. I will also walk you through how you can combine these techniques to create a more dynamic animation that will impress your family and friends. Lastly, I will show you how to export your animation for different uses so you can share them in any way you want. Adding animation to your illustrations is a lot easier than you think. You don't have to have any previous animation experience to take the class. I have designed this class to help illustrators and anyone else that enjoys drawing and has interest in adding motion. All you need is an iPad, Apple Pencil, and the Procreate app. Procreate makes the animation process simple and easy to pick up. And as a teacher with several animation classes on Skillshare, it's important to make animation accessible to everyone, which is why I'm teaching this class with Procreate instead of a confusing and complicated animation software. If you're ready to take your illustrations to the next level with animation, then let's get started.